following is not financial advice and is intended for entertainment purposes only. The old financial world is officially a ghost ship. It's creaking under the weight of $350 trillion in global debt. The engines are failing, the hull is leaking, yet most investors are still clutching onto their legacy seats. They're waiting for a rescue that is never coming. And while they wait, a new machine has been built. It is efficient, it is transparent, it is fueled by the most powerful asset on Earth. That machine is strategy. Its primary engine is a digital credit instrument called STRC. This is not just another stock. This is the first ever industrial-grade bridge between the fiat world and Bitcoin. It is a financial transformer. It takes the wild, raw energy of Bitcoin and converts it into a stable, high-yield product for the masses. The world is waking up to this reality. In just 1 week, Strategy raised $1.3 billion. They used STRC and common equity to buy 17,994 Bitcoin. They are vacuuming up the world's scarcest asset, and they are doing it with the quiet confidence of an entity that has already won. So what exactly is STRC? To understand it, you must understand the problem that it solves. Bitcoin is high-octane fuel. It is pure digital capital. But for many, its volatility is terrifying. It's too hot to handle for a corporate treasury. It's too fast for a conservative retiree. STRC is the solution. Bitcoin is the lightning, STRC is the transformer that steps that voltage down. It's technically a stable principal perpetual preferred security. That sounds complex. It isn't. It's a way to own the yield of Bitcoin without the roller coaster. It's designed to stay at a steady price of $100 per share. It pays a variable monthly dividend. Right now, that yield is at a staggering 11.5%. Compare that to the safe bank. JP Morgan pays about 6.5. Wells Fargo is even lower. Those are the old kings. STRC is the new floor. The mechanics of STRC are a masterclass in financial engineering. It uses what is called an at-the-market shelf registration. That's a fancy way of saying that Strategy can issue new shares whenever they want. When there's a lot of demand for STRC, the price rises. When the price of STRC creeps above $100, they issue more shares. This lowers the price, say to $97 or $98 per share, and then new demand, i.e. more people buying STRC, pushes the price back up to $100, where they repeat the whole process over again. In addition to this, Strategy can manually adjust the annual dividend, currently 11.5%, to make it more or less attractive to potential investors. They take the cash from selling the new shares and buy Bitcoin. Every single dollar of STRC is backed by a mountain of digital gold. Strategy now holds 738,731 Bitcoin. At current prices, that is a $56 billion fortress. Strategy is estimating that Bitcoin will achieve a 29% compound annual growth rate for the next 20-ish years. STRC investors get the first 10 to 12% of Bitcoin's returns. The excess energy, the massive upside, is pushed into the common stock MSTR. The credit investors get high performance stability. The equity investors get amplification. It's a perfect conservation of financial energy. The most shocking part of this story is the liquidity. Liquidity is the ability to get your money out. In a crisis, liquidity is the only thing that matters. Traditional preferred stocks are a desert. The JP Morgan Perpetual Preferred is decades old. It trades at about $2 million a day. If you have $50 million and you want to leave, you're trapped. You'll crash the price on your way out. STRC is different. It's only 8 months old, yet it trades between 270 million and 280 million every single day. That is over 100 times the volume of the world's biggest bank. This is a total disruption of the fixed income market. Large institutions are noticing. Barclays and other bulge bracket banks are huddling. They see the STRC as the only liquid door in a burning building. You can enter or exit with millions and the price barely moves. STRC is more than investment. It's a treasury tool. Companies like Prevail Energy and Anchorage are using it as a checking account. Why hold dollars that lose 7% of value every year? Why hold treasuries that barely keep up with inflation? You can hold STRC. You can get a double-digit yield. You have 24/7 transparency. You can see the collateral on the blockchain. You don't have to trust a bank's opaque balance sheet. You trust the math. That is the Bitcoin buyback in action. It allows the world to exit the debt system. It allows capital to flow into a neutral, global monetary protocol. This isn't a speculative trade. It's the de-financialization of the world. It's the end of the debt-based Ponzi scheme. But we must be grounded. Every machine has a breaking point. STRC is not a government bond, it is an equity. That means that you are junior in the capital stack. If strategy goes bankrupt, debt holders and STRF get paid first, STRC holders next, and the other preferreds and MSTR holders afterwards. The monthly dividends are not a law, they are a choice. The board can slash or kill them at any time. If Bitcoin falls 90% and stays there for 5 years or longer, the yield could vanish. There's no FDIC insurance here. There is no lender of last resort. There is no safety net. If they mismanage the ratio, the credit profile could weaken. In a multi-year Bitcoin bear market, the pressure would be real. Trading volume could dry up, spreads could explode, you could face capital loss. This is technically a high-risk investment. It's dressed in the clothes of fixed income, but it is an equity. You must know what you're holding. Despite these risks, the momentum is undeniable. If you believe that Bitcoin is going much higher in the next 2 to 5 years, then a lot of these risks are mitigated. As the value of Bitcoin on Strategy's balance sheet skyrockets, it increases the strength of the collateral that backs STRC. We're witnessing the birth of an infinite bid on Bitcoin. In just 2 hours of trading, Strategy can acquire 1,250 Bitcoin. That is an insane pace. Every hour they are removing supply from the market, permanently raising the price floor, providing that they never sell. They are using the fiat system's own tools to dismantle it. Each dollar of STRC supports about $3.03 of Bitcoin purchases. It is a leverage machine that never has to close. It operates 24/7, it's verifiable, it's global. The traditional credit market is trillions of dollars. It is built on the shifting sands of sovereign debt. STRC is moving that capital onto the bedrock of Bitcoin. This is the STRC revolution. The world is shifting from a system of debt to a system of truth. The legacy financial industrial complex is built on bespoke marks and opaque loans. Bitcoin is built on code backed by maths and physics. STRC is the first industrial scale interface for that code. It allows the average person to participate in the greatest wealth transfer in history with zero volatility. You don't have to be a tech wizard, you just have to recognize the shift. The transformer model is working. The infinite bid is real. Bitcoin is the fire, STRC is the wheel. If you enjoyed this episode, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.